Hey, welcome to our day 2 challenge of money attraction. Ready to make more money? My name is Mitesh Khatri and this is Indu Khatri. And we are law of attraction coaches and we are going through this beautiful challenge of 11 days to help you attract more money in your life. If you haven't seen the first video yet, the link for that is in the description below. Make sure you watch that as well. And now let's start with day 2 challenge. Very simple challenge, but one of the most powerful challenges of the entire 11 days money attraction program.
So on day 2, you have to write down whatever you think, believe and feel about money. Don't try to get into ये think thought है कि ये belief है कि ये feeling है कि ये emotion
Example
है.
दे दो.
Example, there can be a lot of things like money doesn't grow on tree, या फिर जितनी ज़्यादा रहे उतने ही पैर फैलाओ, या फिर I get money very easily.
Or I get money with a lot of struggle.
Or I get money with a lot of struggle. Yeah, I make money but I lose money. और मुझे जितने की ज़रूरत होती है उतने पैसे मुझे मिलते हैं. इट कैन बी एनीथिंग वॉट एवर यू फील. या फिर हमेशा यार मुझे क्यों नहीं मिलता है, यार मुझे कोई इजीली चीजें नहीं मिलती.
Or I feel desperate about money. I feel worried about money. I overthink about money.
Or I cannot really afford everything in my life. I really want to buy things but I don't have enough money. I never have surplus in my account. So whatever comes in your mind, positive or
About
negative,
money.
about money, write down. Just keep writing. Sit, write. Then again during the day, जब भी thought आए जाओ, go back to the same diary, keep writing. Write down everything you think, believe and feel about money.
So simple way of doing it. Take your notepad and on the notepad take a fresh page. Put a line in the center, you'll get 2 columns. The left one will be positive, the right one will be negative. Now all you do is for the next 2 days until we meet you in the next challenge, which is day 3, until then, make sure that you identify as many positive things that you have about money and as many negative things that you have about money in terms of negative or positive feelings, thoughts, beliefs, or even actions for that matter. An example of that may be कि जब भी मैं पैसे देता हूँ, while giving money, I always feel खर्चा हो गया यार, बहुत खर्चा हो गया, कम हो गए. Or while giving money, I always think 10 times and then give money. I don't like to give money. I negotiate too much. If somebody's selling me something, I feel लोग क्यों भेज रहे हैं मुझे? Like I don't like people selling me anything. I get irritated when people sell something. So anything which is positive or negative about money in your case as a frequency. Now what is a frequency? Remember 4 things we always talk about. FTBA. Feelings, thoughts, beliefs and actions. Now the best part about this challenge is, like Indu said, you don't need to categorize this between feeling, thought, belief or action. Any positive thing that you experience about money, any negative thing that you experience about money, just keep cataloging. Just keep writing for the next 2 days. Now, at one time when you sit, you may be able to identify and remember only 5-6 things. But over a period of time in the next 2 days, until the next challenge, you're in the office and you suddenly realize, yaar, meri salary bahut kam hai. And if you're constantly thinking, meri salary bahut kam hai, write down. That is a thought. While spending money, if you're realizing, कि नहीं यार इसको ज़्यादा दे देना चाहिए ना, I should always give more to this person. So write that down. I like to always give more. Or somebody is giving you some money and you're like, नहीं मुझे नहीं चाहिए, मुझे किसी का एहसान नहीं चाहिए. See, catch it, write it down. For next 2 days, it's all about realization about everything that you experience in relation to money as an emotion, as a thought, as a belief, or as an action. I want you to write down both, not only negative, but also positive. And then tell us in the comment section below later, after you do this exercise, how did you feel after doing this exercise? What did you realize after doing this exercise? And when you do this exercise, you will be prepared for the day 3. And believe me, day 3 and day 2 are connected. So make sure you do this day 2 exercise and challenge. Don't go to the day 3 without doing this.
And remember, you have to keep thinking about it throughout the day for next 2 days.
Anything, as she said, though then it's all about awareness.
Thinking about money.
Thinking and being aware about money. कि भाई पैसे से related मेरी frequency है क्या? Negative and positive, both.
Perfect. And see you in the next day.
Looking forward to see you for the day 3 challenge of attracting more money in your life. Remember, if you want an email notification by YouTube to tell you that we've created the day 3 challenge, subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the bell icon after that. That is very important because otherwise that you will not get the email
notification.
And do you want some of your friends also to make money? Do you want them also to realize what is their frequency about money? Share this video right now with 3 of your friends or family. There must be somebody in your family, brother, sister, a best friend, who you know need more realization about their frequency of money, right? Please share it with them. And most importantly, you see that thumbs up button right below that video. You click on it, automatically YouTube will share this video with more friends because you liked this video. So see you soon in the next video of day 3 to attract more money in your life.
Perfect. See you.
Bye. See you.